Hey guys, welcome back to more Seagull, and today we're gonna taste some of the Japanese corn soup. So today I invited two person. So what's your name?
Hi, my name is Rick.
And what's your name?
My name is Linda.
So today we're gonna taste some of these. So first, what corn soup do you guys want to taste first?
This one?
Okay, so we're gonna open this.
Be careful.
Oh wait.
Oh. Refreshing.
Oh.
Good.
Oh my god.
So good.
So good.
I'll give it a 9.5.
Okay, I'll give it 9 or 9.5.
I'll give it 9. It's
Really
really
good.
It's really good.
So
It's
let's
good.
Let's you did this one.
Okay.
Okay.
So different.
And then this one does not taste that good.
Yes.
I'll give it a 4.5.
I'll give this one 4.
I'll give it 4.5.
Next one. This one. This one looks very good.
Yes.
It's like the last one. This one. This one tastes good.
Can I try this again?
Yes.
Okay.
You may.
I love this one. Oh my god.
Oh, this one good.
Okay.
It feels like the same. Difficult choice.
I think this one is better.
I think this one's this one. This one's
I love
better.
this one.
So I think I'll give it
8.
8.5.
I'll give
It's not
this
that good
one
as the last one.
9.5.
I'll give this one 9.8.
Okay.
Maybe a 5.5. 5.9.
Yes, I'll give this one 6.
It's not that good.
Yeah.
I'll give this one 4.
Okay. Next one.
Oh my god.
I think this one
This one is it's not a corn soup.
is. Oh my god. It's so bad. Oh.
What is this?
Oh, I give it 0. No, maybe 0.5.
Oh, it's corn and cheese.
Oh, 0.
Oh, that's why.
Maybe
that's
1.
Does it taste like cheese?
Yes.
No,
Yes.
kind of.
Like expired.
Expired cheese. So, I'll give it a 1. How about you?
I will give it 1. 1.
I'll give it
0.5.
yeah. It's too.
So think you on your point that one that you like the most.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Oh.
I
You like
like
this
this
one?
one.
Yeah.
I like this too actually.
Should you?
No, these 3 is the best.
This still actually
No, I
tastes
think this one is
similar.
also pretty good.
No, I don't think. Okay. When I taste the second time, this one is not that good.
So
I think this 3 is the best. This one, bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
This one.
This one. This 3.
okay. Should
Yeah.
you take
So
some?
do you guys agree?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the champion is this one.
No, this one. Yeah, this one. No, because they have the most smoke. Yeah, I recommend that these 3 is the best. You should go buy it when you're at Japan. So thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe and like it, share it, And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.